Okay. The Boiled One phenomenon by Dr. Nowhere has supposedly paralyzed people and has supposedly caused some people to jump off of a building.
Oh my god! Oh jeez, oh my god!
And they survived somehow.
Got something for you.
No.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, you said you love me, so.
No, but not your Willy.
Weird stuff is going on because of this one video, and I have not seen it yet. So, Iraboom. Kaji. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. My name is Shuckling Chris, and thank you for being here. Let's go.
Me plus you plus watching Gary stuff equals perfection. Me plus you plus watching Gary stuff.
All following media has been curated with permission from personnel at Efrata 228. Great care has been taken to keep the identities of persons involved anonymous as they requested. This video contains elements that are known to cause mild to severe cognitohazardous conditions, including properties that may mentally and physically affect the viewer. Please refer to the following procedures in order to guarantee your safest possible viewing experience. So warning guys, if this may affect you, please do not watch, for I care for your safety. But I don't care for mine, so let's go. No. Okay. I don't care. Do I need this? No, I'm not doing the ritual. What the heck? Psalms 91 verse 10. No harm will overtake you, no disaster will come near your tent. Amen. If something unusual begins speaking in I don't know if I want to do this anymore. No evil shall befall you, and no plague shall come near your dwelling. Yes. After these words are written, recite Psalms 91 verse 10 out loud. If memories and imagery of something unholy persist in your mind, pray. It's all you can do. Wow. Wow. I am scared already. Okay. It's fake. I don't believe in any of this. What am I saying? Why am I so scared? Okay. Let's see if it's as bad as people say. The boiled one is like the honored one from Jujutsu Kaisen, I'm guessing.
In the late 1990s, a now classified documentary-based television program would debut from a local station in Pennsylvania. The program revolved around woodland, plants, and animals, and is primarily directed towards children.
Okay. Oh, so they would give me enough time to read all of it. Okay. The star of the show and narrator would talk about the wonders of nature, the dangers of it, how to appreciate it, and most importantly, really? And most importantly, how to protect yourself from it. Unfortunately, in early 2001, the program would be taken off the air due to the host passing away. And what did he pass away from? Nature? Something odd happened. Then something odd happened. On August 13, 2003, the 13th episode of the series began a rerun. The following audio recording depicts the wait, began a rerun seemingly out of nowhere. Nowhere, Dr. Nowhere. Oh no, what am I about to?
Good morning, bushwhackers. Today
Okay.
we're venturing into the heart of the forest to find a plant that's as beautiful as it is deceptive. Poison oak.
Poison
we all know
oak.
about it. And here in Pennsylvania, it's not as common, but still something to look out for. And here on we aim to uncover all the wonderful secrets nature has to offer, no matter how minuscule or gigantic. So let's get going, shall we?
Okay, normal so far. All
Found
good.
primarily in deep North American woodlands, poison oak has many different names and places of origin, also referred to as the tree of heaven. Imagine
Okay.
that? In China and Taiwan, one of these invasive species made its way to America in the 1700s and took its ground here boldly. As many of us know, it's infamous.
Okay.
During one of the interlude segments, an anomalous broadcast will hijack the program. This broadcast depicted videos of a red-mounted face that spoke to my identities.
For you guys. Please. Okay. Continue. Just do it. Pause. His face probably just will be Fen. Wait. Fen 228.
As Fen228 spoke, clips of footage and even live camera feed monitoring hospitals and bedrooms would be occasionally overlaid on the screen, obscuring his face.
Fen's face. Okay. Though most remembered Fen 228 speaking English, multiple non-English speaking viewers remembered understanding. Oh wow, okay. That right there is evil. Following clip is a restored file of the anomalous broadcast. The duration of the clip has been shortened and the audio has been muffled, reversed, and dampened. Oh, these alterations are absolutely necessary to suppress its hazardous attributes as effectively as possible for maximum safety. Watch with blue light glasses and I don't have these things. Do I need to have these things or am I gonna die? I hope not. Oh, I don't care. Let's just do it. I'm going in unprepared. Okay. Oh. I can't look at that for too long. Oh, hey. Please, no jump scares. No jump scares. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Not me though. Not me though. Oh wait, what? Actually, this one looks important.
A victim who requested to remain anonymous claimed that the face was living in his brain and feeding on his spine. Another described trumpets playing.
I mean, that would scare me. I wouldn't be able to sleep. I would think the rapture's happening. None of these people knew that this was only the beginning of a whole new species of suffering that would never be fully understood. Okay, interesting. August 14, 2003, the Great Northeast Blackout of 2003. After the anomalous frequency was detected by television, the NERC was ordered by the Ephrata branch to have all power grids local to the state of Pennsylvania disabled by 4 p.m. to prevent further escalation of the anomaly and the public knowledge of broadcast 813. Okay. The outrage ultimately spread to various parts of New York. Okay. Creating the famous Great Northeast Blackout of 2003. Almost 50 million people were without power, some not getting it back until days later. Okay. I'm sweating. Like underneath this warmness, I'm sweating. Like it's cold here. But this video just made me hot. During the confusion caused by the outage, all traces of broadcast 813 were collected by the Ephrata branch and seemingly wiped from existence. Okay. Including news articles in the works from the morning broadcast and post reporting. Okay. The cause of the blackout was promptly covered up and claimed to have been okay, fair. But the damage had been done. Okay, the damage had been done. Wait, before something crazy happens again. The reason why these videos kill me is because it feels so real. So much, they're giving you so much backstory, so much lore. It makes it feel like it happened. And the music. Why is it so old school? Okay, 12 days after broadcast 813 was blocked from the air, a historically massive influx of pseudo. What does that mean? Locked-in syndrome is a condition in which a patient is aware but cannot move or communicate verbally due to complete paralysis. Oh, okay. 509 people affected and many families in shock. Oh, okay, they explained. Okay, cool. This anomalous outbreak of such a condition put under governmental investigation immediately. One thing in common with all of these cases is that the patients had been home watching the TV the night the broadcast 18 was aired. Wait. There's something moving. Leave me. Though the victims of this outbreak were unable to speak, they were able to communicate through Morse code by blinking. Okay? More than 60 victims were interviewed. Yo, I need to learn Morse code. It seems to be so important. Many of these interviews held unavailing results and ultimately more questions. Okay? However, look at how much information is going into this. My gosh.
Fairly late into the investigation, the Ephrata branch was notified of a particularly odd case involving around one Job Samperinianality victim of an anomalous syndocoma outbreak.
I need to search how to say that word. Okay. What happened to this old man? Job Samperini specifically requested his alias. Hey, wait. Hey! Relax. Job Samperini specifically requested his alias to be used in future records instead of his real name, which remained classified. Okay. Samperini was a war vet and fluent in Morse code, putting him on the mark as a potential interviewee as soon as the outbreak was put under investigation. Alright. Oh no. What the heck? After a very odd photo was taken in his backyard by his visiting grandson, his family became deeply troubled and his house was haunted. Don't unblur that picture. I don't want to see anything weird. This led them to contact a local priest. Okay. Following photo depicts Finn. I have to mentally prepare for whenever I see this thing. And this all came from a meme about being the honored one. How? Let's just go. Let's go in. The photo itself has proved to be non-hazardous and safe to view, though still anomalous in nature. For most comfortable viewing experience, wear blue light glasses. Oh. I'm staying at a distance. Okay, don't move now. Oh, the music. The music. I hate this. My gosh, okay. I hope I'm in frame, am I? Zamperini claimed something horrible and unholy was with him, and would hurt him and possibly others if we described it and what it was telling him, okay? Can this music stop now? The following is a recovered recording in which Officer T. Gomez of Efrata Branch interviewed his job. Zamperini. I don't want to hear anything and I don't want to see any moving pictures, please. But it's fine, it's fine. Let's just go. Let's just get into it.
Hello, Mr. I'm Officer Gomez. Hope you're doing well today. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions regarding your condition and possibly unholiness within your home that your family had mentioned? Okay, first.
Ask. Oh, okay. They're letting me. I don't know Morse code, man.
Onset symptoms before you lost complete mobility of your body. Face,
There was a
huh?
face. Okay.
Hmm.
Femme.
When did you begin
228?
seeing this face? Interesting. Many of the people who have seen the broadcast that you saw on August the 13th described having vivid and upsetting hallucinations. Do you think this is something your brain has created?
No.
Can you please describe
It is
this
in the
face
window.
to me?
Probably point. Not. Okay.
I still don't see it. Have you been having any hallucination aside from the face? I'm sorry to hear that. Are these screams constant?
At night before I sleep. Oh no. That's scary. That is scary. The trumpets. Oh my
You
gosh.
shedding light
The
on
day
this
that
is helping
happens.
more than you.
Oh. Hold on, wait. Let me see. Let me go back. What is that?
Shedding light on this is helping more than you.
Why did I go back? It just scared me. Hey. Hey. Huh? I can't do this. I can't do this. I know it's cheating, but I can't do this. Okay. Okay. Wonder. The slow movements. It's just a picture. It's just a picture. And it's doing this. I feel like my face is red. I'm sweating for real. My gosh. Wonderful day. What a wonderful day.
What a wonderful day!
If you guys seen that movie, subscribe. Wonderful day. The miracle of birth, fetal fanfare, and some Japanese, which I used to know. Sadly, it has left me. Anyways, let's continue. We're almost done. Okay. Hey.
Listen closely.
Huh.
You hear it? You will hear the laughter of thousands as the sky opens up.
What?
You will hear the trumpets play their happy sounds.
No. Stop this. Stop.
Life will pour down onto us all. Together, we will be still. Together, a feast fit for a king. Together, welded by love and purest connection. Be still.
Please tell me it's over. Hey, hey. Wait. If you can see the screen, it means it is not safe to continue viewing. Okay, okay. Okay, cool. Okay, 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 okay. No evil shall befall you, nor shall any plague come near your dwelling. No evil shall befall you. Okay, it's all the same thing. Oh my! And I said I wasn't in the mood to get scared. I got scared. Terrified. Subscribe if I got you.
Oh my god, bro.
Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, and subscribe again if you do not want to see the boiled one in your visions and dreams and sleep and right next to you in your house. Thank you for watching.
I be popping bottles, sparkles and champagne.